Hello, Henrico learners and families, and welcome back to EdFlix. I am Chris Fuller, and I am a second grade teacher at Fair Oaks Elementary School, and I am so proud to be your guest teacher for this week's activities. Today, our focus is going to be on verbs, and our learning target for verbs is I can identify verbs in a sentence. So what is a verb? Okay, a verb is a word that shows action, something that is happening. So let's have a couple examples of a verb we can find in a sentence. One is, my dog will run in the backyard. What's my dog doing? My dog is running. So, run is a verb. Another example of a verb in a sentence could be, I am clapping, yay, for my friends playing soccer. What am I doing? I'm clapping. So clapping is a verb. Another could be, the student raised his hand in class. What did the student do? The student raised his hand. All of these words, raised as another example, are verbs. The student raised his hand. He's doing something. So, for this activity, the first thing we'd like to do to get started is for you to click on the link that will take you to Clever. Then you will be directed to go to Brain Pop and watch the video that Moby and Annie are going to talk about verbs. They're going to give you more details of what verbs are and how they're used in sentences and how we talk to one another. The second part of our activity that we would like you to try is a worksheet, very similar to what we did yesterday. It has two parts. Part one is a list of words. You're going to look at all of those words, and every word that you believe is a verb, you're going to circle. How are you going to figure that out? Read each word, and as you read the word, ask yourself, is that word doing something? Playing, that's something that you're doing. Singing, that would be a verb. So any word that you read in that list that is doing something is a verb. Circle it. Part two, you'll see all these sentences that have a blank in each sentence. So, in the blank, you need to use the words as a choice of all the words you circled to fill in that blank so that the sentence makes sense. Use your circled verb words to fill in the blanks to make sense for that sentence. Then our last part of the activity is we'd like for you to click back on Clever, find the Smarty Ants website, and we would like for you to do a reading activity for at least 15 to 20 minutes of your choice. So, we hope that you have enjoyed being a part of EdFlix. We hope that you will enjoy today's activity of studying about verbs. But most especially, we want you to stay safe. We want you to keep learning and take care of one another. And remember, I'm glad to be here. My name is Chris Fuller, and I'm excited once again to be your guest teacher, and I will see you tomorrow. So take care.